Hello guys and welcome to the Wise Ways channel. In today's episode you will watch all kinds of encounters that drivers recorded on dashcam. All clips used in this episode are for educational purposes only. Driver made an illegal turn right in front of police officer. He definitely got ticket for it.
Yeah, you're busted.
How did you think that was gonna go?
Yeah, not well for anybody involved. All right, we need to go
Keep left
forward.
onto Wacker Drive, Harrison.
Don't stop there.
Idiot driver failed to stop for emergency vehicle. Please comment down below on what do you think about this car. This truck driver recorded what he said his scariest moment behind the wheel.
Oh shit, 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 California. Oh shit, the arraignment. Oh shit. 50-year-old was charged with multiple crimes, including reckless driving, assault with a deadly weapon, and resisting arrest.
He said that road was wet and there was no sign of ice. But when he saw stop traffic and tried stopping, he noticed ice. Luckily, he managed to avoid stopped vehicles.
Oh my god.
God must have had a great sense of humor to invent You go along, Gilbert. Of course I do, I'm the master. Son of a...
Driver got hit with instant justice after running a red light in front of a cop.
Ran the red in front of a cop. Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him! Get him! Go get him! Yes! Get off my ass, thank you. Yep.
Horizon. The Secret Service plays a critical role in protecting U.S. and visiting world leaders, but it needs to partner with local and state agencies to carry out.
Ow!
Kevin Nally is the Secret Service's chief of
Donald, look, bro.
in Richmond, Virginia.
Visit Verizon.com/frontline to learn more. Based on
Distracted driver rear-ends car in front which stopped for emergency vehicle.
won't budge. Bad for me. Bad for me. Bad for me. But I get
Oh, man.
and no thank you.
You realize you're speeding right in front of a cop, right? They're right next to me, and he's now speeding up.
Oh,
Yep.
you got him.
Pickup driver cut off and then started road raging after getting flipped off.
You cut me off, you cut 3 other people off, and almost caused an time. No, you didn't.
911 was the address of your emergency.
I'm in front of the Wendy's, so this man cut me off, and I honked at him, and I flipped him off, and he cut another person off, and then he just pulled beside me and hit my car with his truck door. So I need an officer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is he still there?
Yeah, he's right next to me. He's following me. We're stopping traffic. I can't. We're stopping traffic. He's in a 20 Silverado, light brown.
Okay.
And the license plate is 2T64941. We're going straight past Washington Street.
Okay. And are you guys both still in your vehicle?
Yep.
Okay.
He's getting out of his vehicle. We're waiting for the police. Waiting for the police.
Do not talk to sir. Do not talk to
Waiting
him,
for the
please.
police. He came to my vehicle.
Okay, I understand that. If you're able just to keep yourself secure in your vehicle or go somewhere where you're safe. What is?
Reported on I-35E.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.